Hi, I'm Ritesh from MRE Digital. If you've seen my last videos, we've successfully installed and configured Ecommpay. Now, I'm really excited to show you all the payment options that Ecommpay has to offer. But first, let's make sure in the application we have enabled card payments. Click Enable, and then you can decide the title, and depending on your setup, whether you need embedded or a redirect option. Once you're happy, click Save. Now, let's head over to the checkout. As you can see now in the payment option, we have Pay by Card, but we also have Google Pay, PayPal, Klarna. Amazing options that a lot of customers use. But if there's anything that you want and you don't see, please reach out to Ecommpay and they will check if they can get that installed onto your checkout. Pay by Bank is one of my favorite features for this solution, and I'm going to discuss that in the next video. See you then. Thank you.